What's poppin', family? What's going on? It's your boy Lando. So, good old cryptocurrency has been popping off, man. It's been looking good. The whole crypto market is up. We in the green, over 4%. Bitcoin finally reached over 30,000. Ethereum, I don't believe, hit over 2,000, but it got close. Let's see right here. Nope, 1936 on coin market cap. Now we are about to start trending down because let's break it down. Let's see who was the highest in the last 24 hours. Bitcoin at 6%. Solana's going crazy at 13%. It's definitely going hard off of it. But the main thing is Bitcoin, Solana, the whole market is going up. So I know you're wondering, what's next? Is it about to go to 40,000? Is it about to go down? Let's go back and look. So if you see right here, this is our resistant line, this area. And if you look in that area, the price range is between 29,000 and 31,000. So 29 and 31,000, it's about to be our sunken place in that resistant line where it trade like that. Now going back down, it could easily go back down to this line first, that 28,200 area, before we have to crash all the way down here, and that won't happen just yet. I honestly believe crypto, we're in a good space. We're in a good space because people that was on a ride, you was able to make some money. People that's not on a ride, you can sit back and analyze on the next best move. I was looking at it and I'm like, look, history is telling me that Bitcoin and crypto might keep on going up. Reason being, you got to think, since November, we've been consistently going up. Look at this. November 9th was at 15,000. December, we went up. January, we went up. February, we went up. March, we went up. April. So we've been going up for the last 4 or 5 months consistently. So when the last time you went up 4 or 5 months consistently and crashed back down? It was a while, man. So we have a lot more green to go if you look at our historical averages, right? Because you want to see good old averages. What I like to look at is, you see in 2023, we have had 1, 2, 3. We are on route to 4 green months straight. First, you got to look, when was the last time Bitcoin has had 4 consecutive positive profiting months? None in 2022. None in 2023. The last time you seen it was at the end of 2020, COVID time, after COVID. 2020, when you went 27, 42, 46, then you went 14, 36, 29. So 6 months positive. Now, that's after COVID, everything crashed down on so bad. But that was the last time you really seen it. Look what we went, 39, then barely green, but we made it a green. 22, 6. So if we go the time before that, I want the time before 2019, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what I noticed, when you go green months, when you go consecutively green months, you probably going to get 4 or 5 months. I don't think it's going to stop right here. It's going to keep on going into May. So look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all crazy months. So that's where I see us going. Let's say we finish at 6%. Just finish just right here. It's not as crazy growth as we have seen before, but we haven't seen a January to start off this strong since 2013. So I see May being another positive green month. My analysis was saying that our Bitcoin rally was going to start in June or July. It looks like, I don't know if you want to consider this rally, but we just been going up consistently. Hopefully we still get a rally right there. But if I was a betting man, which I am, I don't think we're going to have that big crash yet, because we've been having all bad news everywhere. And it ain't stopped nothing. Really ain't stopped nothing. So I want to know, what's y'all thoughts? Do y'all honestly believe Bitcoin will crash back down, everything keep going up, or are we going to stay in a sunken place for a second? I'm optimistic. I'm excited. But I'm still cautious, because when I was buying in Bitcoin, we was at 16,000. It's crazy. It really has doubled by now. You got XRP. You got so many different crypto. Is holding, looking strong. Just wanted to give you guys an update. Talk to y'all soon.